Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is wavelength, the distance for one complete wave, symbol lambda. By the end of this video, you'll know how to measure it and how it varies across the electromagnetic spectrum. Wavelength is the distance between two consecutive points on a wave that are in phase, for example, crest to crest or trough to trough. Symbol, the Greek letter lambda. Unit, meters. For long radio waves, lambda can be hundreds of meters. For gamma rays, billionths of a meter. Three things. 1. Wavelength is the spatial period of the wave, one complete cycle in space. 2. Wavelength times frequency equals wave speed, v equals f times lambda. 3. When a wave refracts, frequency stays the same, but wavelength changes. Common slip, measuring half a wavelength and calling it a full one. Wavelength is the full repeating distance, crest to next crest, not crest to trough. Quick example, sound at 340 meters per second, frequency 500 hertz, wavelength equals v divided by f equals 340 divided by 500 equals 0.68 meters. That's an audible musical note. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.